Great.
You're gonna do another lap?
No. No.
We believe in you, Joe.
Yeah, I believe in me too.
Yeah. So here in South Africa, we got a cheat code. There's a big fucking hill that takes souls.
Oh, okay.
It was taking souls, bro. There was like, I got up there with Paul and there's like 30 people up on this hill.
Oh.
So we found Dave up there.
Yeah.
He was helping people out.
Yeah, okay.
So he's at the hill.
Yeah.
Paul still hadn't even tried it.
Yeah.
When I was like halfway, so it's a motherfucker.
Okay.
So I don't think Dave's doing 2 laps.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I know Paul's not doing 2 laps. And I sure as shit ain't doing 2 laps.
How far back was it?
It's like 4 Ks back.
Oh, okay.
Like
Okay,
15
cool.
minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, luckily after that hill, you just go downhill and you just kind of
Cruise from there.
Yeah.
That's why these guys look so depleted when they get here.
Oh, that thing f***ed us up.
Oh,
It was so slick.
yeah.
So slick, and there was just... We were
Rutted
waiting.
out and...
You just look and you see on the hill 30, 40 people up there.
Wow.
Fucking hell. Okay.
So I just went up,
Yeah,
got a good line,
there we go.
had some good
Use the
momentum.
10 meters on the side and just went past them.
So is it 10 meters past the other guy's 10 meters?
If that's the case, you had about 100 meters distance.
Okay.
Yeah, you're close to the finish, just around the corner here.
Great.
You're gonna do another lap?
No. No.
We believe in you, Joe.
I believe in me too. Shit, my heart rate was like 180, like 3 times.
Yes, dude.
Yeah, dude. No, I was
beautiful.
like, Dave was like, "Are you okay?" I was like, "I'm just letting my heart rate go down." He said, "Tire pressure, heart rate."
Same.
Yeah.
Cool, dude. Enjoy, man. I'll
There
see
we
you.
go. Enjoy, Joe.
Send it, Joe. Send it.
But she made it.
You made it, just, yeah? There we go.
Cheers, man.
And Paul almost died. And how did it go?
A few hours later.
Several hours later.
Well, if Dave didn't help 50 people up the hill, he would have finished long time ago.
Dave's such a good person.
Yeah, he's such a good person.